Hi there, this is Mrs. Mindel, and today in Phonics class, we are going to learn a new topic. What topic? The beginning and ending sounds of the letters H, M, P, and K. But remember, what day is today? What day is today? Yes, today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. Yes, today is Friday, May 15th, 2020. Excellent. Come on, let's repeat. Remember, in phonics class, we learn how we need to use the sounds of each letter in a word. In the class of phonics, we learn how to use each sound of each letter in a word. But now, begin. Let's start. Our topic for today is beginning and ending. Beginning at the begin, ending at the end. H, M, P, and K. Do you remember the sounds of these letters? Yes, excellent. What is the sound of H? Yes. What is the sound of the letter M? What is the sound of the letter P? What is the sound of the letter K? Excellent. Now we are going to mix the sounds and the letters to learn how to read a word in English. Come on, let's start. Hot, hot. Look, hot has an H at the beginning and a T in the ending. H at the beginning and T at the ending. Look, hot, 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 hot. Look, H is a beginning sound and T is an ending sound. Yes, H is a beginning, is the first one, and T is the last, so is the ending sound. H-O-T, hot, hot, hot. Good. Hot. Good. Let's go to the second one. Map. 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 Look, map has an M at the beginning. Yes. Map has an M at the beginning and has a P at the end. Map, 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 map. The number 3, pin. Yes, you got it. Pin has a P at the beginning, is the first letter, the first one. P, 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 yes. Excellent. Pin has a sound at the beginning. Pin, pin. Pin, 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 pin. Hook. This is the word number 4. Hook, hook, hook. Did you listen? Hook, hook. Excellent. The word hook has an H at the beginning and a K at the ending. Excellent. Hook. The double O, two O's, the double O is read like ooh, ooh. These O's are read like ooh, ooh, ooh. Ha, ooh, ha, hook, 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 hook. The number 5. Number 5. Hop, 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 hop. Oh, good. Did you listen? Hop has an H at the beginning and has a P at the end. In the beginning and at the end. At the beginning, at the end. So how can we read the word hop? Now let's do it. Come on. Hop, up, up, hop, up, hop, 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 hop. When you mix the sounds and the letters, you are able now to read a word in English. And the number 6, this is the word stop. It's not S. Stop is stop. Look, the S sound, the S sound. Stop, stop, stop. Excellent. And the word stop, stop, has a P at the ending. Yes, has a P at the ending. Why is it called ending sound? Because it's the last one. Because it's the last. Look. The P is the last letter in the word stop. And why is it called beginning sound? Why is it called beginning sound? Look, because it's the first letter of the word. That's why. It's because the first letter of the word hot. Look, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Excellent. Now you are able to do it. You are able to read these words by yourself. Excellent. Come on. What if we can repeat these words again? Yes. Come on. Let's do it with me. I can listen. Yes. Come on. Hot, map, ping, hook, hop, stop. Excellent. Well, I have a presentation for you now. I have a presentation for you. So now let's sing and pay attention. Do you remember the name of this class? I told you in the beginning, Phonics. Yeah, this is Phonics class. And in this class, we, you and me, you and me, we, you and me, we learn how to read a word. In what way? Well, you say the sound of each letter and you recognize the letters. And when we mix the letters and the sounds, we are making phonics. Excellent. And what is the topic of today? The topic of today is beginning and ending. What letters? H, M, K, and P. Now let's sing a song, beautiful song. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning to you.
morning to you guys. Good morning to you. Now we are going to do this activity, this page. So these are our list words, And we need to learn these words. We need to learn these words. Do you remember the first one? Yes, it's hot. The second one, map. What is the third one? Pin, yes. What is the fourth one? Hook. What is the number 5? Yes, it's hop. And the number 6 is stop. Now, look at the directions, and now we are going to complete this picture. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. And write that letter that stands for the missing beginning or ending sound. Trace the letter. Trace the letter to spell list words. Excellent. Look, which is the first one? What is this? This is a very good pin. Pin. What is the second one? Yes, stop. Stop. Look, we already complete the first word with the letter P. And we already complete the second one with the letter P too. What is the third one? The third one. Hot. Oh, look, I am really hot now. It's too hot here. Yes, it's too hot. I am feeling a lot of hot. Yes, I am feeling hot now. Yes, hot, hot, hot. And we already complete this word with the letter H. Number 4, hop, 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 hop. Yes, what I am doing, hopping, like a frog, frog. Look, hop, hop, hop. And what letter did you complete here? Yes, the letter H. What is this one? Can you look at this picture? What is this one? Yes, this is a hook, hook. And we already complete this with the letter K. Excellent. And the last one is easy for you. I know you know it. Yes, it's a map. And we already complete this word with the letter, yes, M. Oh, look, oh my God. How does the sun feel? How does the sun feel? How does the sun feel? Look, I am feeling like a sun. Ah, yes. Ah, oh, yes. Hot. How does the sun feel? Hot. How does the sun feel? Hot. 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 You can catch, or you catch a fish on this. And what is this? Do you remember what is this? We already look this one in the picture before. Yes, yes, it's a hook, hook. Look, this is a tool that help you and help me to catch a fish on this. Good. Look, this fish will be catch in this, on this hook, 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 hook. This helps you find places. This helps us, you and me, us. This help us or help you find places. Where is Honduras? Yes, it's right there in front of you. Where is Honduras? Yes, it's right there in front of you. Now, can you look for San Pedro Sula? Yes, it's there. Very good. Where is Juticalpa? Excellent. It's right there. So look, these help us to find a place. Help us find a place. Help us find a place. A map. 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 This is a map. A frog can do this. So can you? Come on. Hop. 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 Can you do this? Yes, right. Hop. Hop. Look, this boy is hopping some boxes. So hop. Hop. Hop up. Hop up. Hop up. Hop up. Up, up, up. Hop, hop, hop. These hold things together. This one holds things together. These hold things together. Like a baby diaper? Yes. Here, your mom put your pins when you wore a diaper? Yes. Yes, this is a pin. 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 P, I, P, I, P, I, pin. Pin. P, I, P, I, pin. Pin. So this is all. What is going to be your homework? Your homework will be so easy for you. Yes, in your notebooks, you will write one sentence with each least word. What words? This one, these 6 words. We already learned. You are going to write one word with hot, one sentence with map, one sentence with hot, one sentence with pin. You will write one sentence with hook, one sentence with hop, and one sentence with stop. Yes, you can do it, guys. See you. Bye.